This one is great for helping prevent heart disease and cancer. It's been about 7 minutes on the pasta. It's got a bit of a bite to it, but still nice and soft. You can pull those out of the water and make sure you oil right away. Anytime that pasta cools, it tends to stick together in one big glob. Oil will make that not happen. Quick little drizzle, toss, and then you can set it aside. Now that all of our vegetables are prepped and our cooked items are just about ready to go, final bit of ingredient work is going to be our sauce. Now, anytime that you are making a sauce, it's a great opportunity to bring in a ton of extra nourishment. And we are definitely doing that today with this huge abundance of herbs. It's up to you what herbs you want to include in your green goddess. Basically, any green, soft herb works great. I've got here about a half a bunch of parsley, a half a bunch of dill, I've got a full bunch of chives, and a good amount of basil as well. So whatever you've got on hand or whatever is looking good in your garden or the store, throw them in. Many of these have great anti-inflammatory properties too, so getting in fresh herbs can help decrease bloating, can help with joint pain, and can also help clear up any skin irritations or brain fog. We are going to pull mostly the leaves off. If you have a few stems included, no worries. These are all going to get blended in the food processor, so a couple of stems is not going to hurt. There's been studies that have also shown herbs have great anti-cancer benefits, and they are great for helping manage blood sugars and reducing blood clots. So if you're looking to manage or prevent diabetes, using more herbs and all your sauces and vinaigrettes will help.